So based on that text, we now want to create a relevant image. Let's go ahead and hit the plus sign. We're going to grab another OpenAI GPT node, and this time we're going to go down to generate an image. Generate images right here. It connects by itself up here again. And then for the model, we want GPT image 1.5. This is the best model they have right now, so that's what we're picking. Okay, when you click on this prompt text over here, the way this is working is you can either tell it exactly what to do, or you can say, use the response from this previous node and then build an image on that. So here's how this works. Type in make a flyer for this post suitable for Facebook and Instagram. And then when you say this, basically that's the prompt going to OpenAI. And so we're going to give it the entire prompt. So on the right side, you'll have a number of these variables and just search for result. So RES, and there it is. Just click that one time. So click result one time, and that should populate right in here. So it's saying take everything that this one node created, which will be represented by this variable, and then make a flyer about that. That's what would be sent to OpenAI GPT image 1.5. That'll generate an image and then send that image right back. So hit save. Now at this point, we should have an image as well. So that image will arrive in PNG. We need to convert it to JPEG. I learned this the hard way, getting all the way to Instagram and then learning you can actually post those. So let's fix this right now. So let's create another one called image, and this is convert a format. Click that. And so whatever comes in from OpenAI, keep that one selected. And then the next one, we want to convert it to JPEG and then save. That's it. That'll take care of the conversion. Okay, now theoretically we have an image. We want to store this image somewhere so that Facebook node can reference a URL for this image. So let's hit the plus sign. Let's look for Cloudinary. There it is. And we want to do upload a resource. That'll connect for me automatically. For you, if it's first time, go ahead and plug in your credentials and connect to that. And if you still don't have credentials, you should just watch the prerequisite video and then just do this again. And then for the file type, base64 encoded. And then this is an image. So let's click on that second one. And in here, if you have image/JPEG, go ahead and plug that in. You can always just type it as well. Image/JPEG. That's the type of file we're giving it. And the resource type is an image. And then for the public ID, it needs to be Instagram_post, because that's how the data is stored in Cloudinary. So the ID is Instagram_post. So we're telling this node, go to Cloudinary, look for this particular ID of the file, and then bring it down. The rest of it you can leave alone and hit save. So now we would have the URL.